We have our antenna set up for Winter Field Day. Mine is right there, and his is over here. I have a buddy pole, and he has a chaw antenna.
I have got one hotel here in Picture. One hotel here in Picture. Do you copy that? Okay, 73, then thank you for hanging in there. That was a tough one. N6WQ, anybody else?
N6WQ, this is November 5, Uniform X-Ray, India.
Okay, I hear a TV station out there. I'm going to turn my volume up. So you come again with your class on choice.
November 5, Uniform X-Ray, India.
Okay, I got a November 5. What's after the 5?
Uniform X-Ray, India.
Yeah, November 5, Uniform X-Ray, India. Okay, and I'm making sure it's November 5, Uniform X-Ray, India.
QSL.
The class and your section.
2M Alpha Romeo.
Okay, what is your class? Are you one officer?
I don't know.
He's my class. He's asking my class.
Mobile.
Oh, we are 2M. Oh man, I'm losing you.
Yeah, he's going away.
What is your class?
MEM, as in mobile, M.
Somebody what is your class again?
2M, 2 Mike.
Okay, try it again. All I need is your class.
Mike, M, 2M, Mike.
Okay, very good. I have November 6th, Uniform Whiskey, Quebec. QWQ. I have a one hotel here, Victor. One hotel here, Victor. I hope you copy that. Anybody else?
QSL, I copied it. Good luck in the contest, and thank you.
Yeah, the band was dropping out over there.
Yes, it was. N6WQ. Ha!
He's California. Or at least that's where his call sign originated, unless he moved.
Sierra Victor. Woo! Wow. Yeah, band's just...
Yeah.
Sacramento Valley.
Okay.
Man, my antennas face south. I got 6. What do you mean? I cannot believe I got that guy. That was hard.
Yeah, the band is changing on you. It's getting to be close to noon, and so the sun's up enough now that it's ionizing the atmosphere and changing the band a lot.
Oh, my leg, it's hurting.
Less than full-sized antennas for each of the bands, and so yeah, they did pretty good.
Well, I think that was pretty good, actually. And I mean, my antenna was pointed south, and I was transmitting, I was talking to people west.
If you read it, they say on those L configurations, normally where that arm is pointing is kind of the direction a lot of the radiation goes. And you were talking that way, but it was pointing kind of, yesterday it was pointing more that way, today it's kind of pointing that way.
And I don't know, that may have helped today, to talk, be able to talk west a little more.
And I don't know if that metal building being fairly close to the antenna acts like our giant reflector and reflects everything that way or not.
Yeah.
It could.
I don't know, but I've got six contacts I think I made. So I mean, I don't think we did too bad. I did 10 meters and you did 40. You know, and the band conditions were much better this year than they were last year. Last year,
This is pretty good. 40 was pretty noisy.
Yeah,
Just
40
running
was
S7
noisy.
to S9 noise level all the time, and some of it may be the trailer, and some of it may just be noise here in town.